The status quo is not working for you. The status quo is not working for you.
Keep the change. Another talking head, it says right there. So, what's your name?
My name's Mary.
Mary.
Sylvinsky.
Sylvinsky.
From New Hampshire. I'm a small business owner.
Okay.
And I'm here because I'm afraid that small business is going to have to pay more. And I'm employing over 100 people. And I'm afraid that I'm going to have to push them off the private care that they have and onto a government program. And it's going to cost them more money, and that's not fair. So I'm here saying, let's have more choices, not less.
And who's this? I like it. I'm bad in the shake for a minute. Hi.
Where are you from?
Lowell, son.
Lowell, son.
Where are you from?
New Hampshire.
Okay. I live in Hudson. Farmington? Yeah. Thank you.
The Lowell Sun used to be a great paper one time. I hope it does go back to what it used to be.
It is.
All right.
This is the Trust the President camp, I guess. And what's your name, sir?
Tom Jordan.
Where are you from, Tom?
Amesbury, Mass.
Amesbury. You seem to be outnumbered today. Do you feel like that?
I haven't done the counting, so I don't know.
Well, when I walked in, I didn't see many sections like this.
Not outnumbered in rightness. So I think people on this side are here to try to combat misinformation that these guys are willing to have on the other side. And right will come out.
Represent us! Represent us, Senator!
Finding Duke.
You have government-run healthcare equals disaster.
I just want freedoms back. Why would I believe this government can handle health care? You know, this man who hasn't run anything in his life, he wants to take on the whole health care. I don't think so. I think we need to slow down.
We're at the Barack Obama appearance at Portsmouth High School with Rebecca Orr Shahar and her 6 children. What brought you out here today, Rebecca?
Because I disagree with the health care plan that possibly could be implemented this fall. I disagree with it because I lived in a country where there was socialized health care for 10 years.
Where?
I lived in Israel for 10 years.
Israel, yeah.
And it works fine until you really need it. Those who could afford it always had private health care insurance to supplement what the government option was. Yep. Every year, the basket of services was diminished, and those who were previously covered ended up not being covered the following years, and it's just not a good option. If it doesn't work in a country of 7 million, it's not going to work in a country of 380 million. Missed your bus! You're not getting overtime! Astro term!
You don't believe anything that Barack Obama says?
Not a thing. He can lie to these people's faces, and because they think they're getting something for free, they're going to be sorry when they find out. They will be like Canada. They'll have to take a number, and that certain age groups will not get the care they need. And Obama is lying to them. I'm sorry. Right to their faces. It's amazing that they can believe anything that means. Jammed through, and I've seen videos of senators who said, how can we read this bill? And we need 2 lawyers to understand it. I've seen my own representative at a town hall meeting, and she wasn't able to explain this plan. I don't think the people who are voting for it even understand it. It's just too important an issue to just ram through like this. I think healthcare can be improved, but I'm very opposed to a government plan because it's failed every place it's been tried.
From Atkinson, New Hampshire, volunteers for the Obama campaign. He just shook his hand again.
Yes.
And so what did you say about the health care issue? You just saw him speak.
He is right on target at every issue. Absolutely right on target. And he said he had passed. Finally.
You believe it?
Finally. Last campaign I worked on this much,
art, or
Well, we designed it for the tea parties.
you got a website?
It's on repiaparty.com.